In this video, you'll learn how to build a help center in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to create a centralized location for information and resources that can assist users effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL notion.so. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your Notion account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the features. Next, use the search feature within Notion to find Help Center templates. Type Help Center into the search bar located at the top of the page. As you enter the text, you should see suggested templates appear based on your input. This is an efficient way to locate the resources you need. After that, click on the option labeled Choose a Help Center. This action will lead you to a selection of available Help Center templates. Take a moment to review the options presented, as each template may offer different layouts and functionalities. Then select the template that best fits your needs by clicking on the button labeled Add. This will begin the process of integrating the chosen template into your Notion workspace. Wait for a moment while the system processes your request and adds the template. Following that, you will want to click on the option labeled More. This will allow you to explore additional settings and customization options for your Help Center. Customizing your Help Center will enhance its usability and ensure it meets your specific requirements. At this point, type Help Center again in the search bar to refine your selection. This will help you easily locate the specific template you are working with. Make sure to check that the search results reflect your inputs accurately. Once you see the template you want, click on See Template. This will open up the template in a new view, allowing you to explore its features and layout. Familiarizing yourself with the template will help you understand how to best utilize it for your Help Center. Next, click on a blank space within the template. This action will allow you to start customizing the content. It is important to ensure that you are in edit mode to make any changes you desire. After this, click on the section labeled Help Center to access the main area of your template. This section will be the foundation of your Help Center, where you will add resources and information for users. Then proceed by clicking on Personalize the Help Center. This option will enable you to begin modifying the template to better suit your needs. Personalization is key to creating a functional Help Center. Finally, click on How to use loops and change the heading as necessary. This step allows you to tailor the content specifically for your audience. Adjusting headings and content will help clarify the information presented in your Help Center.